This trader has made $276,312 trading on Alertsify. Now imagine you copy every single trade he took. You would have made a ton of money just like he did, or at least that's what most people assume. But his leaderboard results don't tell you what copying him would look like in your account. Your fills would be different, your position size will be different, and copying the right trader the wrong way can still lose you money. So before you copy his trades, there are 5 things you need to know. Let's start with the biggest one. Why would you even trust this guy? Forget the profits, forget the win rate. One question matters first. Are his results actually real? Because screenshots on social media can be fake or photoshopped. You've seen it before. Discord messages get deleted, spreadsheets can say anything, and if the results aren't verified, nothing else matters. So don't look at his best trade, look at his worst one. Real traders lose. Enhanced Market loses almost 3 out of every 10 trades. That's exactly what you should expect. Now here's what changes everything. Every trade on this leaderboard comes directly from a connected brokerage account. You can review every single winning and losing trade yourself. So don't just look at the winners. Scroll through the losses and the full trade history. You can verify that the trades came through a connected brokerage account. Now comes the harder question. Is this skill or just one lucky month? Anyone can get lucky, especially in options. The question isn't, did he make $276,000? The question is there an edge worth copying? Because just like any other investment, there is no guaranteed results in trading. That's why copying Enhanced Market makes sense. You can go back months and see that he consistently does this. Because trading isn't about winning the most trades. It's about making far more when you're right than you lose when you're wrong. That's what you're actually trying to evaluate. Not one amazing month, a repeatable process. Because if the process is repeatable, you have something you can evaluate. If it isn't, last month's profits tell you almost nothing. What happens after you click copy? Okay, so the evidence makes sense. Now what? Once you connect your brokerage account and choose the copy Enhanced Market, Alertsify handles the execution automatically. When he enters a trade, the same ticker, strike, and expiration are sent to your broker. But Enhanced Market never touches your account. Your money stays in your brokerage, and every trade follows the limit you set. You choose the position size, you choose the daily loss limit, and you can stop copying at any time. So you're not handing a trader control of your money, you're automating his trades inside your risk limits. Do you need a big account to get started? Most people assume you need a huge account to copy trade. You don't. You're not copying his account size, you're copying his trades at the position size you choose. If Enhanced Market enters 10 contracts, you don't have to enter 10. You can start with 1, just sized for your account. That means you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started. You can start small, grow your account, and learn how the process works before committing more capital. The goal isn't to recreate his profits overnight. It's to access the same opportunities at a size you're comfortable with and build from there. Now, can you test it before committing? At this point, you know the trader's real, you know how the trades reach your account, and you know you can start at a smaller position size. But seeing his results on a leaderboard isn't the same as seeing the process work in your own account. That's what the 7-day free trial is for. Connect your brokerage, choose Enhanced Market, set the position size and loss limits you're comfortable with, then watch what happens when he takes a trade. You'll see the actual entry in your account, the fill you received, and how the trade performed at your size. So instead of guessing whether copy trading could work for you, you can spend 1 week seeing it for yourself. If you like the fills, the execution, and the level of control you have, then keep going. If you don't, try another trader that might fit you better. You don't have to risk your entire account, and you don't have to make a long-term commitment based on someone else's results. You can test the process first, then make the decision using evidence from your own account. Here's the one thing I would not do next. I wouldn't open Alertsify, find Enhanced Market, and start copying him without a plan. Because the worst time to decide how much you're willing to risk is after a trade has already appeared in your account. Before that happens, you need to choose your position size and exactly what your maxed risk is. I put those decisions into a free Alertsify playbook. Fill it out before you start the trial, and you'll know your rules before you take your first trade. The link is in the description. If you want to know how Alertsify works from start to finish, watch this video next. Peace.